Own a jet ski or personal watercraft at Chickamauga Lake. Make storage and docking effortless with TN Econo Lifts. Our floating PWC lifts provide a safe, secure way to keep your jet ski protected from waves, dock damage, and algae buildup. With a smooth, easy-to-use design, our lifts allow for quick water access whenever you're ready to ride. No more struggling with unstable docking. Our durable floating lifts adjust with water levels, giving you reliable support year-round. Looking for maintenance or repairs? Our experienced technicians ensure your lift stays in top working condition. We serve Chickamauga Lake and surrounding areas, providing professional installation and service tailored to your needs. With affordable pricing and top-tier craftsmanship, TN Econo Lifts is the go-to provider for PWC lift solutions. Call 615-278-8219 today for a free consultation. Visit us at https://middletoneconolifts.com. TN Econo Lifts, the leader in professional personal watercraft lift services at Chickamauga Lake.